Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the only route, the supplier's emergency credit process. Call or open the supplier app now. You need your meter serial, account number, and ID ready. Once you contact them, request emergency credit explicitly, say you have no remaining units. You do this because the supplier must associate credit to your meter or issue a token. Make sure your phone is charged and network reachable. The process cannot continue without verified account details. Once connected, clearly state you need emergency balance now, provide account verification and the meter serial. The supplier either applies a remote top-up or issues a numeric emergency token. This is why verification matters. If they apply remotely, ask for an ETA and confirmation reference. If they give a token, note the exact digits and any entry steps. You must listen for the confirmation code or message. Make sure to write down the token and the support reference number. Finish by applying the credit. Enter the token into the meter keypad exactly or wait for remote activation to show added units. Once done, verify the display shows new credit and that appliances power normally. If nothing changes within the supplier ETA, reboot the meter gently and try entering the token again, making sure each digit was correct. If it still fails, call support with the emergency reference. They can reissue the token or force the remote top-up. That is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.